students, this side is Bajrang Agarwal, and today I am going to record a lesson on markets and marketing. This lesson is going to help all the ICSE appearing students in the year 2024. And today's date is 1st November 2023. Generally, I teach in great depth. I believe in conceptual clarity. So let's begin. It's chapter number 1, ICSE students, markets and marketing. Of course, these two words are not synonym. There is a difference. So dear boys and girls, are you ready? Let's begin. In a free enterprise economy, what exactly we mean by free enterprise economy? In China, government controls, they control what to produce. In India, there is a free enterprise economy. It means anybody can produce anything. And of course, after production, we need to sell. So, market is a place where buyers meet and sellers meet so that they can sell. India is a free market economy. So, in a free enterprise economy, markets play a very significant role. Why? Because the responsibility of selling is not with the government. In socialist economy, government has the responsibility to produce as well as sell. In free enterprise economy, government intervention is nearly zero. Nearly, not exactly, but nearly. Government will play a role in defense equipments. If you want to manufacture defense equipment, government has certain regulations. Why? Because defense equipment is related with the national security. So in a free enterprise economy, markets play a very significant role. I hope now it is understandable, absolutely clear. Market conditions largely determine what is to be produced. Just now I had told, in China, government is deciding what is to be produced. But here, market conditions would determine. In India, Diwali is celebrated, and we know Diwali is the time when consumers will purchase, will buy. So according to this festival, I know what is to be produced. So I know the market condition. People will spend money in Diwali. Market condition is known by the producer. Producer decides what is to be produced. Now, how much to be produced? This is also decided by the producer. He will decide how much to be produced as per his estimate. How much he will be able to sell. Is he alone? No. Competition is always there in the market. So each producer will produce. How much they will produce? They will produce according to their estimate. This estimate is done with the help of market conditions. Now what can be the market conditions? During COVID, people were not getting salaries, or if they were getting salaries, their salaries was cut. So market condition was not very good. If I was producing 100 goods, During COVID, I produced only 25 because I knew market condition is not favorable to produce. Business firms take various decisions to meet competition. Wherever there is business, there is competition. My firm name is A, then there is B, C, D, dots. So I need to defeat my competitors. To defeat them, various decisions. Most important decision is price. At what price should I sell?